Welcome to Home Cooking with Somjit. Today I'm going to cook prawns fried bihun or stir-fry rice vermicelli with prawns. So I have 200 grams of rice vermicelli or bihun and soak in the water for about 20 minutes. And this is for 3 serving. So I have 1 cup of Chinese parsley, 2 stalk of spring onion, 1 red chilli, 2 tablespoons of garlic oil, half teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, 100 grams of minced pork, or you can substitute it with minced chicken, and about 80 grams of prawns. When I peel the prawns, I still keep the prawns head and the shell, so I'll be using this for cooking the bihun as well. And I have about 1.5 cup of bean sprout, 300 ml of water. So I'm going to use some salt over here just to sprinkle on the prawns and the meat. Okay, basically just can put a little bit more on the prawns. Okay, and the meat as well. Alright, we have marinated the prawns and the meat. I'm going to put it aside. Just going to put in a little bit of water. Just about 1/4 cup. And we're going to put all these ingredients. So dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, light soy sauce, the balance of the salt, not much of balance though, and garlic oil. I'm just going to put half of it. Okay, now I'm going to mix all these ingredients together. The seasoning is done, so I'm going to put it aside. Now we can go and cook the noodles. I'm going to heat the pan, and I'm going to put in the balance of the oil. And we're going to cook the prawns first. I'm going to fry the prawns until it's cooked. That will take about 1 minute, because with the prawns we should not be cook it too long or else. Okay, just about that, and then I'm going to remove it from the heat. Put it in the bowl first. Put it aside. And now I'm going to put in the meat. When cooking the meat, I'm just going to put in just a little bit of sauce that we mix. Stir fry until it's cooked. Alright, when the minced pork is cooked, I'm going to switch off the heat and also remove it from the pan. Put it aside. We're going to put in the prawns head and the shell. Add in a little bit of water. And we're going to cover the lid and bring it to boil and continue boiling for about 5 to 7 minutes to extract all the prawns flavor. Alright, we have been boiling the prawns head for about 5 minutes. You see, nice flavor of the prawns here. And I'm going to switch off the heat. We're going to strain out the gravy. Alright, now we got the prawn gravy here, and we're going to put it back in the pot. Switch on the heat. And now I'm going to add in the sauce that we mixed just now. And bring it to boil. It is boiling now, so I'm going to put in the bihun. This bihun we need to put the water because the bihun can be cooked. Cover the lid for about 1 or 2 minutes until the bihun absorb all the gravy. And by the time once it's absorbed the gravy, it can be cooked. Now we're going to add in the bean sprout, the chilli, spring onion, and the parsley. Give it a stir. It looks so good. Once the gravy is dry up, we can add in the prawns. And we're gonna add in the prawns. Ooh, looks good. And the meat. Wow, it looks so yummy. By right, fried mee hoon, it should be slightly darker in color because it is not enough dark soy sauce. I'm gonna add it just a little bit. You can add it in, you can just leave it, it's okay. I'm just gonna add it in a little bit. See, now the gravy is already dry up. Mee hoon is cooked. I'm going to switch off the heat and now I can taste it. Wow, so tasty. Very delicious. This is best served while it's hot, so I'm going to dish out and serve. This fried mee hoon is definitely not spicy. So if you want to have it spicy, you can have it with chili belacan oil. Eat together with the prawns. Wow, very delicious. Prawns is very fresh and the mee hoon is tasty, very flavorful, really good. Now I want to try it with the spicy chili belacan. This is really spicy. It blends so well with the chili belacan oil. The tasty and flavorful noodles with the kick of the spicy chili belacan oil. It's really good. I give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share with your friends and remember to subscribe for more of my variety cooking like this. Thank you and bye bye.